So good morning, family and friends, everyone. We are just coming out again, half an hour later, to shovel out the car. Today is our labor and delivery, and it is now, what time is it? 7:56. And we had an appointment to show up at labor and delivery at 7:30, but it doesn't matter. We're getting it together. Junior has decided to come during one of the worst times of the season. It's a bunch of snow outside. And we did leave out about an hour ago, and we tried to get into my husband's car, but we got stuck in the alleyway. So we were able to repark that car, and now we're in the truck out front, which we probably should have thought of doing. And now hubby's out there shoveling to try to get us out of the parking spot. And then we can be on our way to labor and delivery and get this process started. I'm getting induced today. I'm 38 weeks and 5 days, and we're just so excited to meet our newborn baby son. Okay, and I will give you an update once we get out of here again. Okay, once we get to the hospital, I'll give you another update. See this stomach no more. By the time I leave the hospital, this is going to be the last time that you see me pregnant, being fat like this. Everyone pray for me for a safe and healthy labor and delivery of our baby boy.